Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up the April 2018 Sephora Play Box. This Play Box is a subscription and it costs $10 a month without any shipping and handling, so it's a really great deal. In it you'll get 5 items and 1 bonus item, and it's pretty cool. So the first thing we're going to do is use some scissors safely. Just wave them around and undo the tape on it. I don't think I'm gonna be allowed to have scissors soon. Pray for me. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm gonna let you look inside the box first. Hopefully nothing falls out. I can feel something trying to escape. And wham. There's the beautiful inside of the box. It looks like the inside of a box. And on the top we do have the pamphlet thingy that tells you everything that's inside, as well as this card which lets you get 50 bonus points when you go in to make a purchase. I'm going to use this really quick to be able to say what I have because I'm old and I can't read packages most of the time. But inside here is this little bag. It says "Make it snappy" with green ribbon, and I'm not gonna lie, this feels like a really inexpensive bag. This is not my favorite bag I ever got from them, so sorry. Okay, so let's just go ahead and dig in and get what we have. And the first item is from Urban Decay. It is it says Hi-Fi Shine on it. Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion lip gloss in SPL. It's new, it says, and it's a lip gloss with a very small little applicator in a very small little tube, and it's very, very sparkly. No color really, and it smells nice, sorta. I can't figure out what it smells like, but whatever. Very, very small. Don't know if I'll use it. If I don't, I'll give it to my niece. Next item coming from the box. Alrighty. It looks like we got something from Dr. Dennis Gross. Fight wrinkles while you sleep. Ferulic and retinol wrinkle recovery peel. Here we have 2 little packets of some peels to try out. So that'd be cool. Next item is looks like it's the perfume thingy. This is by Elizabeth James. It's called Nirvana. It says it has a vanilla bourbon with oak wood and tuberose. It's called bourbon. Let's continue. And the next item we have is in a little box. It's from Philosophy. It is Purity. It is the Moisture on the Move. I do like this brand. I will try this out. Purity. Next item is another little box. This is from Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Perfector. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You get a little bit in a tube. Actually, the tube feels kind of like full. Watched it on my hand. It looks a little orangish, but I don't know. Maybe it'll work out. Okay, and then the last item out of the bag is this little tube right here. And I guess it's pronounced Kiehl's. I could be wrong. This is called Bright Away. This is a powerful strength line reducing concentrate, vitamin C. Put it on your clean, dry skin before applying eye cream and moisturizer. So it's a bonus step. I think overall for this month, for me personally, I will definitely try these because this is cool. I will definitely use this. I'm going to try out this. I don't know if it will work for me or not. I will probably forget to use this ever. Big, maybe not for this. And depending on how this looks over other stuff and everything, this might be something for my niece. But still, Generally, I get items that I really like. Not every single month, I guess. But guys, thank you so much for being here and hanging out with me and going through the box with me. You can get your own. There's a link down below. It's $10 a month. Generally a really great deal. You get name brand, super high bougie shit. If you like this video and other ones like this, please go ahead and press the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it a lot. Also, hit that notification bell when you hit that subscribe button so that you always get notifications when a new video goes up. I believe that I'm going to have another video coming up to you guys soon, this week, maybe. I also, if you want to just hang out with me, I stream on Twitch. It is probably going to be on the screen somewhere. And you can follow me at Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat if you would like. I'm trying to become more of a social media person. Not really. I kind of stuck. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.